Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through how can you use NFC Tag Reader on iPhone. To use NFC Tag Reader on iPhone, you just have to follow these steps. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then you want to go ahead and open up your shortcut. Now when you open up your shortcut, this is how it's going to look like. So here you want to scroll down, or you could just go ahead and click on the search bar and type in personal automations from the top, and then you want to locate search bar and type in NFC. As you do it, so you'll be able to find a list of information or a list of options available. There you want to go ahead and click on NFC tag and then click on the scan button. Once you've actually scanned it, so you'll be taken to this section where you could actually go ahead and give a name to the tag and click the OK button. As you've done it, so you just have to follow some of the instructions and in the prompt. So just follow some on-screen instructions, and with that being said, you'll have successfully used NFC Tag Reader on iPhone. So that's the way you could turn on or use NFC Tag Reader on iPhone automatically. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.